Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all missed me because of course I missed you. I am bringing you guys my first holiday makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Please tell me what's your favorite part of this look and what's your favorite part of this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and thumbs this video up just because I'm bringing you guys some content. Let's start off by saying go ahead and follow me on social media as well. I'm going to link it across the screen as well as down in the description box below. Excuse me, I'm stumbling all over my words. But go ahead and follow me on my social media account, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I have nothing further to say, but like I said, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and then let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so first off, I'm going to start off by saying that I want to do I want to do a green look today, and I know I've done a green look on here before, actually multiple variations of using green eyeshadow, but I'm gonna do it again. So I'm definitely gonna not do anything that I make it a repetitive look, because that's not what I'm trying to go for. I want to go with something, I guess we'll see as we go, because I don't like saying what I'm gonna do in advance and then it don't work out. But I'm gonna start off by priming my eyelids. I'm gonna be using the Cakeless Concealer by Benefit. It is in shade 4. And I know y'all probably remember this concealer from when I bought it, and it was light then and it's light now, but that's because I still haven't gotten rid of my tan. Look at my forehead, y'all. It's so much tanner than the rest of my face. So I'm gonna blend that out. So the palette that I'm gonna be using, or at least starting off with, is gonna be the Tribe palette, and I think I've used this on my channel before. I've had it a long time, but if I have not, this is the Tribe palette. I'm gonna start off with Sam. I don't know why I'm trying to start off dark, y'all. I'm just doing something different, so I'm gonna start with Sam. Sand, that says sand, y'all. I put an M in there. Of course, I'm going to go into James Charles palette because, of course, it has all the colors. So I'm going to take that black to try to deepen up this green a little bit. So I'm going to kind of interchange them with the black and then the green, just so it won't take that color away. It's just going to add to it and deepen it up. So yeah, let's do that. Okay y'all, so I blended that black and green together, and I like the outcome of it thus far. The next thing that I want to do is I want to combine the sand color with this color. It is called Tootsie. Combine those two right here, and I'm going to apply that to the lid. So I'm definitely gonna say that I don't like the way that that color came out on my lid, but it's only working as a base anyways, because I'm going to be adding, let me make sure this is the right color, and it is. I'm going to be adding this MAC eyeshadow on top of it. It's called Starry Nights. So let's hope that it doesn't make it a hot mess, but that's what I was gonna put on top of it anyways. So let's see what it do. I'm nervous, you guys. Like, I don't know. Normally I apply with my fingers, but I'm gonna use this brush right quick to see. No, I'm gonna have to use my fingers, guys. Okay. See, that's much better. And why is it not showing up how it looks on my eye? Anyways, whatever. I am going to be taking the Stila liquid liner and lining my top lid with that. Give me a second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so what I did was make a liner on top of my, girl, what I'm trying to say, made a line on top of my lid, but I didn't make it into like a wing liner. I blended that in out, and I really do like the look of it. Yeah, I do like the look of it. So so I'm gonna do that on the other side. So to prime my face, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Fresh hyaluronic primer right here, and it's new, so I gotta get it to it's squirted out all right now. So let's prime this face. Oh, it smells good. Get down here, because this is definitely like one of my areas right here, down up in here and up in here. It's where I get really dry, but I've just been dry everywhere lately, and it's not me. I'm melting. No, actually I'm not. I'm drying up. So yeah, let me put that on. And of course, y'all, like I said, my foundations are still gonna be lighter because I have not lost the tan that I received over the summertime and continued on in the fall. So I'm going to be mixing my foundation yet again. So I'm gonna start off with this black opal suede mocha stick, and I know it's dark, y'all. I know it's dark, but last time it helped me out a lot with my color. Ooh, maybe that's too much. We're gonna see. Now my forehead, it could take what it could take, you know, because it know. And then I'm going to be using my Anastasia foundation, and that is in 355N, and that's why it's too light. So like I said, too late, so I had to correct myself. So I'm gonna start off with a stippling brush, and then I'm probably gonna switch to like a beauty blender just to make sure I'm getting it blended out really well. Anastasia needs to fix their pumps. So yeah, you see, let's blend it in. Look at my forehead. I think I just went in on that one. Let's blend it and see, because I need it to match. Ooh, I think I'm getting it. Okay, let's match you up, honey. It's a little nervous there. Yes, that's what I needed. Yeah. Ooh. When you do what you gotta do. Let's blend you out. Let's blend you out. I don't know if you can take it. Hey. I might put a little bit more on this and contour with this some more, because it's making me look too fine. Honeys. Yes, this is exactly what I needed in my life. I need it. Y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour with this because the way it made me feel about my forehead. Look at my foundation, y'all. It matched my neck. I'm caramel. I'm put a little bit more on my forehead because why not? I love a tan forehead, you know me. For concealer, I'm going to be using this Pro concealer from LA Girl, and it is in pure beige. And if I feel like it's too dark, I'm going to go in with my what am I going in with? What did I use earlier? The Benefit, which it does look like it might be a little bit too dark for me. Okay, so now I'm going to be using this Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder in light to set underneath my eyes and see if it'll brighten it a little bit more, because I decided that I don't want to go underneath my eyes again with another concealer, seeing as though I feel like I already got enough underneath my eyes, so let's do that. And now I'm gonna bronze with Lancome's Star Bronzer. It is in golden. Looks like this. Un momento. I might skip blush today. We'll come back to that on the end. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to apply my top lashes. I'm gonna use mascara. The mascara that I'm going to be using, I'm grabbing it, is the Tarte Lights Camera Flash Lights Camera Lashes. I'm giving it what they want to have. But I'm gonna put these on my lashes, and I'm going to put on my false lashes, and I'll be back, okay? Okay, y'all, so I put my lashes on, and the green that I applied in my crease is what I applied underneath my eyes. Let me put a little bit more mascara on the bottom. I forgot to do that. And then for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Inglot Sparkling Dust. I'm going to put that in my inner corner as well as my face highlighter. Because I didn't know if I wanted an inner corner highlight at first, but yeah, that's the right decision. Yeah, like that. I need to find a lipstick. I want to do red. Like I said, it's holidays, so I want to incorporate some red some kind of way in there. But I'm going to go ahead and set my face, and I'm going to be using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I really do like this. It smells so good. And let my face set, and while my face is setting, I'm going to go ahead and find a lipstick, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I found the lip that I want to do. Oh, so I hope it look right because my lips are dry. Yeah, my lips are peeling, and it just picks the right time to peel, guys. So if it just does not look the best that it could look, I'm going to add some lip gloss on top of it. But first things first, I'm going to use this Clinique liner. It is in deep red. So that's how that liner looks. I normally line my whole lip, but I'm not going to do that today. And then this is Matte Crimson from Clinique lipstick. So happy holidays. Okay, y'all, this is legit my first holiday look. I don't remember what my top. Yes, this is legit my first holiday look, and I am enjoying it, and I hope you all are enjoying it as well. Let me and I hope you guys enjoyed this look as well, because I'm gonna be probably bringing some more to you guys because I enjoyed doing this so much. But anyways, that concludes this video, and I hope you guys like this lip. But if you don't, of course you can interchange it with lip gloss, you know, line your lips brown, nude, whatever you want to do is what you do with your look. But anyway, so that concludes this look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please thumbs it up if you did. Comment down below what you think of this look and how you would like, what lip you would put with this look. And also thumbs this video up. I think I said that, but thumbs it up anyways. And then I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on my social media as well. Peace out.